We've all been there. Let's be honest, who hasn't wished for a magic wand to shed those extra pounds overnight? The idea of an effortless transformation is incredibly tempting. We see headlines screaming, "Lose 10 pounds in 3 days," and our ears perk up. It's almost impossible to resist the promise of such rapid results. The allure of quick fixes is powerful, especially in a world of instant gratification. We live in an age where we can get almost anything we want with just a few clicks. But are these rapid weight loss plans, like the military diet, all they're cracked up to be? They promise so much, but do they deliver? Let's dive in and find out. It's important to look beyond the flashy promises and understand what these diets really entail. We've all been there, staring in the mirror, wishing for a slimmer reflection. It's a common feeling, one that many of us experience at some point in our lives. Maybe you have a big event coming up, or perhaps you're just tired of feeling uncomfortable in your own skin. The motivation to change can come from many different places. The desire for a quick fix is understandable, but it's crucial to remember that real, lasting change takes time and effort. Just like a marathon runner trains for months, achieving your health goals requires dedication and patience. Instead of looking for shortcuts, focus on building healthy habits that you can maintain in the long run. Eating balanced meals, staying active, and getting enough rest are key components of a sustainable lifestyle. When you commit to these changes, you'll not only see results, but you'll also feel better and more confident in your own skin. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Whether it's friends, family, or a fitness group, having people who encourage and motivate you can make a huge difference. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Every step forward is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Keep your eyes on the long-term goals and don't get discouraged by temporary setbacks. The journey to better health is a marathon, not a sprint. What's the deal with this restrictive plan? Why is it so popular and what makes it so challenging to follow? The military diet, also known as the 3-day diet, is a short-term, very low-calorie eating plan that claims to help you lose up to 10 pounds in a week. It promises quick results, which is why many people are drawn to it. It involves a strict meal plan for 3 days, followed by 4 days of normal eating. During the 3 days, you must adhere to a specific menu without any deviations. The diet emphasizes low-calorie foods like grapefruit, tuna, and cottage cheese. These foods are chosen for their low-calorie content and supposed fat-burning properties. It severely restricts calories, clocking in at around 800–1100 per day. This drastic reduction in calorie intake is what leads to the rapid weight loss. The diet's name might lead you to believe it's endorsed by the military, but that's not true. There's no official backing from any military organization. There's no evidence to suggest any connection to the armed forces. The name is likely a marketing tactic to imply discipline and structure. The origin of the name is unknown, but it likely gained traction due to its strict and regimented nature, much like military life. The diet requires a high level of discipline and commitment, similar to what is expected in the military. However, the restrictive nature of the diet can make it difficult to stick to. Many people report feeling hungry and deprived, which can lead to binge eating once the diet is over. Nutritionists often warn against such diets as they can lead to nutritional deficiencies and are not sustainable in the long term. It's important to consider the potential health risks before starting any restrictive eating plan. Instead, a balanced diet with a variety of foods is generally recommended for healthy and sustainable weight loss. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Does it work, and at what cost? This is the question many people ask when considering the military diet. The military diet's appeal lies in its simplicity and the promise of dramatic, rapid weight loss. It's a 3-day diet plan followed by 4 days of regular eating, which makes it seem manageable and attractive to those looking for quick results. And yes, you will likely see a drop in the numbers on the scale. This can be very motivating for those who need a quick boost to kickstart their weight loss journey. However, it's important to understand that this initial weight loss is mostly water weight and not actual fat loss. The body sheds water quickly when calorie intake is drastically reduced, which can be misleading. The severe calorie restriction can lead to nutrient deficiencies, fatigue, and headaches. These side effects can make it difficult to stick to the diet and can negatively impact your overall health. You may also experience rebound weight gain once you return to your regular eating habits. This is because the body tends to store more fat after a period of deprivation, making it harder to maintain the weight loss. Remember, sustainable weight loss is about making long-term lifestyle changes, not just quick fixes. Incorporating regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and healthy habits into your daily routine is the key to achieving and maintaining your weight loss goals. Quick fixes like the military diet may offer temporary results, but they are not a substitute for a healthy, balanced lifestyle. Now, let's talk about the dangers of rapid weight loss and why it's so risky. Crash dieting, like the military diet, can wreak havoc on your metabolism. When you drastically cut calories, your body goes into starvation mode. This means it starts conserving energy and burning fewer calories, making it harder to lose weight and easier to gain it back. Not only that, but rapid weight loss can also lead to muscle loss, nutrient deficiencies, and gallstones. It can also mess with your hormones, leading to irregular periods, hair loss, and other health problems. Trust me, it's really not worth it.